The second question you should answer is, can you sell the product? If you can sell the product, there are no reason to buy it, right? So to check this, you open a Seller Central, click on Catalog, add to product menu item. Then you input your product ASIN into input field, click search button. You will see a list of products or you will see a product, and there are two outcomes. First one is you will see the not available button, which means you cannot sell this product. And also you can get some detailed information why you cannot sell this product. And second outcome is a button with sell this product text on it. The button appears when you choose a condition new, right? You always need to choose a new condition of the product. And if you click on this button, there are also two outcomes are available. First one is the open with product listing will be opened. The form with where you can input your price, how many stock you have. It means you can sell the product. But if you see the form like shown on the picture, it means you need approval to sell the product. Approval means you need to provide some documents for Amazon for verification. Usually Amazon requests two types of documents. First one is invoice from your supplier with at least 10 items of the such brand, or dated no later than 180 days, or authorization letter from the supplier who sold the product for you. But if you do online arbitrage, usually you buy from retail stores and you have no invoices and authorization letters. You only have receipts from them. And in this case, you won't be able to sell the product. So just avoid such product if you don't know how to get invoices to unlock it, right? And also, Solar System provides an easier way to check that. It have a feature which shows a lock. The open green lock means you're free to sell the product, and red lock means you need approval to sell the product. So it's very convenient to use such feature. You just open it, see can you sell it or not, decide to invest your time to analyzing the product or just skip it and go for another one.